Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the iTunes gift card to your Apple ID so the funds become App Store credit. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Scan or type the 16-digit code exactly. Once done, check your Apple ID balance at the top of the account page to confirm the dollar amount. Making sure the balance is available now avoids failed purchases when you buy Robux in the Roblox app. Next, use that App Store credit inside the Roblox app to buy Robux. Open Roblox, tap the Robux icon, and pick the Robux package you want. Prices show in local currency. When prompted, choose Purchase and confirm using your Apple ID payment method. The App Store balance will be applied automatically. Once confirmed, wait for the in-app purchase to process. The transaction flows through Apple, so Roblox receives Robux credit for your account within minutes. Finish by verifying the Robux arrived in your Roblox account right after the purchase. Check your profile balance and recent transactions. If the Robux did not appear, first review the Apple purchase receipt in your email or App Store purchase history to confirm the charge. Once done, if there's still a problem, submit a support request to Roblox with the receipt or contact Apple support about the App Store transaction. That resolves most failed or delayed credit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.